welcome to my channel. I haven't vlogged in I think like 8 or 9 days. It's been so long and I haven't even put out a video, and that is because if you watch me on Snapchat or Insta stories, you'll already know, but Doug and I had like the worst fever flu thing, and yeah, so basically we had like a fever for I think 2 to 3 days. It was so long, and then we have like super bad sore throat. So my sore throat is like much better, but Doug is working in the living room right now because he's still like infected. So yeah, he's still getting over his sickness, hence the man flu that you guys have been like snapping me about. But anyways, I'm here with Annabelle, and I thought I would vlog because I asked you guys what you wanted to see on Snapchat, and a lot of you guys said you wanted to see just a regular vlog. So we have nothing really planned for today. I really want to clean up because like I said, we've been sick, so there's just a lot of junk around the house. But a lot of you guys have been asking about our new refrigerator, which I am super excited for, and I'm so lucky, and Doug is lucky too, obviously, because Kenmore actually sent us this refrigerator, and it's like the biggest thing I've ever been sent, obviously. If you watch my channel for a while, we've been needing a new refrigerator for like, I don't know, for the last year at least. When we first moved into this apartment, a lot of you guys were saying that they should be giving us a refrigerator with the apartment, but a lot of the older apartments in Los Angeles, just another annoying thing about LA and the South Bay, is that you have to provide your own refrigerator. They gave us like obviously this super old 1950s stove, which works really well, and that's about it. We had to get like our microwave and things like that brought into the apartment. So we just bought like this super generic like $200 fridge off Craigslist. I think we moved in like 3 years ago. It didn't have an ice maker. It was terrible. The back of the freezer froze everything, and the front of the freezer like kept everything like a fridge temperature. So it was just all out of whack, and we've been drinking bottled water for 3 years. And as much as I like bottled water, there's nothing like a fresh cup of like iced water from your fridge. It's amazing, and it's like life-changing. Anyway, so I wanted to tell you guys more about the refrigerator because a lot of you guys seem to be in the market for refrigerators. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and it's called their Kenmore Elite Counter Depth French Door Bottom Mount Smart Refrigerator. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but obviously it's like stainless steel like most refrigerators that everybody wants nowadays. But in my opinion, it has like a little bit of a pearlescent sheen on it. Like it looks better than traditional stainless steel. I don't know if the new refrigerators are like this now, but it just, I don't know, it looks so much better. And the front is not magnetic, which I like because I don't really want things stuck to the front of my fridge, but the side is. So maybe that's why it looks better, because it's not like the traditional magnetic one. The reason it's a smart fridge is because you can basically get notifications on refrigerator settings and statuses, like if your door is left open or when filters need to replace and things like that, like if there's a power outage. And you can basically remotely adjust the refrigerator and freezer temperatures, and also like the ice maker. So yeah, we love that. The front of the ice maker is super cool. It has like a touch screen, so it's not like a bulky, and I feel like it has a really sleek and like modern design. The other thing that I noticed is that this bottom thing doesn't come out. So you know when you have like the old refrigerators, it has like a mesh plastic thing over top and you have to clean it and it gets grimy. This one is just like a little shelf, so you just wipe it down. Okay, so this is what the refrigerator looks like inside. It obviously has like the big French doors. And I don't know if you guys remember our last refrigerator, but it was really big. It was like one of those huge white ones. And this refrigerator, the depth is actually not as deep as the other one. However, it just is like laid out a lot more efficiently, so you can have a lot more stuff in your fridge. So it's not gonna take up a ton of room in your kitchen. It's not gonna like stick out this way. So it has like the recessed LED interior lighting, which makes it really easy to see everything when you come get like food in the middle of the night. Not that I do that very often. And it also rings this little bell, and you can turn that on or off, but if you leave the fridge doors open, you guys will hear it in a second, the bell will go off, and that is helpful because I leave the fridge open and the freezer. I know it's so bad, but I don't know why. I just get distracted and I like accidentally crack it open, and then I hate coming home and your refrigerator is like everything is melted inside, so this actually dings for you, which is nice. So that's like the bell that just dinged. So another cool thing that this has is the fact that you're able to tell the drawers like what is in the drawers. So vegetables or fruit. And then this is like a deli meat. So it's super cool. It like slides out. I know I have like other things besides deli meat in here. But yeah, so that's for like lunch meat. And this I have like vegetables in. This one is more vegetables, but also like some fruit. And this is cool because you can like slide these back and put like taller cans in here, or like taller jars to fit. And then this side is obviously what the side I use for condiments, and this side's like for milk and juices and stuff. And then this is like the cheese and butter section. These drawers are actually, they have like airtight crispers in them with moisture locks, so it retains fruit and vegetable freshness longer when compared to like a standard humidity crisper bin. The other cool thing about the ice maker, it has a feature called Acela Ice, which basically allows us to produce ice a lot faster for last minute gathering. So it produces a ton of ice and it doesn't get backed up like my parents' refrigerator that's a little bit older. And as you can tell, the ice maker doesn't take up a ton of room. Like, it's a really sleek design. So this is what the freezer looks like. It pulls out like a giant drawer. It has a ton of room for like storage. It has like a drawer right here, which I keep like meats in and like ice packs and stuff. It has this really big drawer. It also has like two like really deep bins for like pizzas and like big stuff. As you can tell, we've had a lot of naughty food this week, so we were sick. It also has like this little slide out shelf that I keep like Annabelle's like droolies, like her teethers in, and random ice packs. So I'll go ahead and link it below if you guys are interested. Doug is literally looking for Annabelle's banana silicone thing because she throws all her toys off the ground, don't you? Annabelle just got a bite of peas. She's not a fan. Listen, peas are yummy. I like peas. Mmm. Look at her, she's like, okay. So Douglas made paninis, and we have ham, cheddar cheese, and what else? Dijon mustard and mayo. Do you want to eat your peas by yourself? She's like, yeah, I want to do it myself. A few updates. We've been obsessed with Game of Thrones. We're on season 2. We're not gonna ruin anything because we're not like that. But yeah, we're on season 2.
Season 2 is like 5 years old.
I know, we're like way behind.
If we ruin it, it's your own fault.
We're not gonna ruin it. But let me just say, I said on my Snapchat, if you guys wanna watch a really good show, but you're not into like super graphic like fight scenes or like sex scenes, you may not like this one. But honestly, you get like numb to all of that stuff. Like all the crazy stuff that happens, you get like you get used to it. And honestly, like it kind of dies down. The first season is really raw and like super graphic. What? He thinks I'm such a prude. I am, I really am. Like I literally fast forward the scenes and Doug's like, what, we're gonna miss something pivotal. And I'm just like, no, it's nothing to see.
And then we miss something pivotal.
And then, yeah, anyways. So yeah, if you don't like that, you might not like the show, but if you're like okay with it, then you're really gonna like it because it's so good.
Doug can't take it. He can't take the mess of peas everywhere.
No.
She's like, no daddy, no, I want to play in the peas.
No, you're not playing in the peas anymore. You got peas under your nose.
Look at the frost coming off of this Kit Kat bar that Doug put into the freezer. Looks like your sore throat is gone.
Oh my god, look at how big Annabelle looks. I need to take a picture and show you. She looks like an Oompa Loompa. Wait.
Doug dressed Annabelle today, obviously.
My mom actually got her this outfit. Don't even ask me where. I have no idea. It reminds me, tell them what we call it.
We call it her quince outfit.
Quinceañera.
Like her quinceañera outfit.
Tell people what that means if they don't know. Well, by the way, Doug is not Mexican.
No, but I'm pretty sure it's just, it might just be Mexican culture,
it's
but
just,
maybe it's Hispanic, like all different. But basically when a girl turns 15, that's like her coming of age party.
Although the girl that actually turns 15 and like has the quinceañera, like they don't wear dresses like this, I don't think.
No.
I don't know why we call it that, but it just reminds you of like Mexico. Not that I've ever been there, but we live on the border, kind of ish. So yeah, super cute. Makes her look like a little plump dumpling. Oh, you guys haven't seen her in a while. She's grown so much. She has a little tuft that I like to spike. And what else is new about her? She's very, she's very active. She likes to screech. She's yet to crawl. Yeah, she doesn't like crawl on her own. And it's so funny like how every baby's different because we went on like a baby play date. Actually, I vlogged that like 2 weeks ago. And that other baby was a little older than Annabelle, but that baby was crawling everywhere. I was like, oh my God, Annabelle's such a lazy baby. That's because we do everything for you. Oh. She gets scared by the ice.
Sorry, Annabelle.
But she's not like scared enough to cry. So yeah, she doesn't crawl yet. She just says mama still occasionally. No dada yet. She likes fruit only, hates all vegetables. Except for when my mom feeds her carrots, she eats them, so.
But boy, can she stand. Look at the standing baby.
Doug's like so proud that she can stand, and I'm just like, you're standing her.
Look, no, I don't even have to like, I barely balance her.
Maybe she'll walk before she crawls.
She might be one of those strange babies.
Okay, so you guys always ask where I get my monogram jewelry from. Well, I usually get it from the brand Sophil. I get a lot of my like bigger necklaces, and I'm doing a giveaway with them. So I will go ahead and link below to the blog post that I'm doing the giveaway so you guys can enter. But we're giving away $50 to Sophil if you guys wanted something of your own. But I thought I would show you some of the stuff. So this is like a little bangle, and you can get anything engraved on it. I got a little friendship one for me and my friend, but I have another one that says Annabelle Rose. It's just like a gold bangle because I really like gold jewelry. And then I already have this one, but this one is for a friend, so I just got it to show you guys. But this is a monogram like swirly necklace. They also have one that looks like this, but it's bigger and it's silver. So if you don't like gold jewelry, they have rose gold jewelry and silver as well. But yeah, this one's super pretty, and I have this one for myself. They also have smaller monograms, like the straight kind, and this one's obviously for me, so I'll just put it on a chain. They also have this really pretty vine ring, and then they also have this one, which is super pretty. But I love their jewelry because they don't tarnish, first of all, and they're really high quality. They're also like super affordable. I find that sometimes if I spend like $20 on a necklace and it's like very, you know, like inexpensive, it's gonna tarnish within like 5 uses, but their stuff is very affordable. I think it's around like the $30 price mark. But they have like all different prices depending on the quality and like the kind of metals used, but their stuff's affordable and it doesn't tarnish, so that is good. Not to mention they do ship worldwide. So yeah, go check out their website, and I do have a 10% off code for anybody that wants to use it, and I will put it on the screen here along with down in the description box too. Seriously guys, what is she doing? But what I was gonna say is one of the best feelings in my opinion is having like fresh sheets on your bed. I got this new it's like a velvety quilt from Amazon. I'll link it below. I think it was from a brand called Bedshe, but it's super like lightweight. It has like little like satin trim on the end, and then on the inside it's just like a regular like sheet material, but it's really lightweight for summer, and also came with matching pillowcases. We've had a white quilt on our bed for like the last year-ish, and we recently stained it, so I need to like bleach it or something at my parents' house. Because that is not good. But anyways, I wanted something different because I was getting bored of like pure white. Yes, I'm wearing boxers on the bottom, if you guys saw in the background. But yeah, so it feels so good, seriously. But yeah, we also got a new fan from Costco. Best $40 we've ever spent. They also have like standing fans there, but we got this one because it like, I don't know, it like is up off the ground and like goes right to where we're laying because it is sweltering hot in LA. He's like, a new toy. Oh. Those are headphones. Those are not for baby. No, no, no. Look at this chub. Ooh, 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 ooh. Time for some dinner, aka peaches. Don't worry, we give her vegetables too.
So she doesn't like pears?
She doesn't?
I mean...
Oh, these are pears. These aren't peaches.
She doesn't
Look
like
at her.
peas.
Oh yeah, she hates peas. Pears. Yum. Doug made the best dinner because I was cleaning the house. We've got corn with the little pig corn holder, half a baked potato and steak, and of course barbecue sauce. Oh, and must needed sour cream for the baked potato. Annabelle is so crazy right now. Look at her. No, you cannot have that. She never wants any of her toys. She literally only wants what I have. But I get a lot of questions about how she's doing as far as sleep. Do we have to rock her to sleep, or how she goes to sleep? And we basically, it's different. Well, it's not different every day, but we went through a period of like a week where we had to rock her to sleep. I think I like talked about it in my evening routine video, which if you haven't seen it, I'll link it on the screen here and down below. But yeah, we did like a routine video, and I showed myself, which I knew I was gonna get comments about, but I showed myself, okay, you cannot eat that. No, no, no. I showed myself basically rocking, well, me and Doug were taking turns like rocking her to sleep, and we had to do that for like 5 days straight, and she would not go to sleep. And so I started to read like more about like baby sleep patterns, and I thought we had a good enough routine down. I mean, I don't know what else I could have done, but I started reading, and apparently at this age they're really only recommended to sleep 3 hours during the day, and then I think 11 at night. And sometimes Annabelle would sleep 4 to 5 hours during the day. Like, she loves her naps. She just is so cozy, and I honestly think that, I don't know if this has anything to do with it, but she sleeps right next to me, like for her naps. Like I know this is not recommended, but this is just what we like and what we're doing. She'll sleep on the boppy, or she'll sleep on the bed while I work on my computer. And yeah, so she doesn't sleep in her crib or like the DockATot at all anymore. She literally hates it. I think you guys already knew that though. So I think that's why she can sleep for so long, because like she feels the warmth of my body and it's just like cozy, and she does not want to wake up. So yeah, she was sleeping so much. That's why she literally did not want to go to sleep until 9 or 10 at night. And I know some people say that like their babies go to bed at that time and it's totally fine. But the only reason I was like concerned about her going to bed so late was because, oh my gosh, she just turned an app on. Was because I could tell that she was really overtired, and like she'd be like rubbing her eyes and just like not looking good. Like, I don't know, I could just tell she needed more sleep at night and less during the day. So yeah, basically I've had to like, my arm is hurting so bad. I've had to start waking her up during the day, so she only gets 3 hours of sleep like for her naps, and it is so much better. Like, oh my gosh. So now she just goes to sleep like 2 to 3 hours after her last nap of the day. I'm telling them that she was sleeping way too much during the day.
Yeah, and I think she still kind of is.
No, she won't. Not today.
Well, look at her.
Yeah.
Look at this baby.
Anyways, so it's been a lot better. Knock on wood hard, because we jinx ourselves all the time. You guys, today has been a long day. I feel like I haven't really, actually no, I filmed a sit down video and a cleaning routine, but you know what I need right now? You know where this is going. A big bowl of cereal. Ever since we got our new fridge, I can barely reach the cereal, which is probably a good thing. Today is something I've never shown on my channel, but it's OG Cinnamon Life. They have regular Life, but I think I like cinnamon better. And Doug's just over there complaining about his throat, so he's probably gonna have Heath Bar ice cream, which I am not a fan of. I normally like Heath Bar, but this is the kind we got, and it's just like not good. Like, it has like chunks of chocolate chip. Like, I thought there was gonna be chunks of Heath. It's like Breyers. Not very good, but he likes it. We accidentally got whole milk and Sweet Glory. It's good. What's going on over here?
Just finding, you know, potatoes on her hand.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What were you saying?
I was thinking about a treat.
You just had cereal.
Yeah, but
What kind of treat?
I don't know.
I honestly can't. Like, once I have a bowl of milk, like, I swear I'm like, I would say like 30% lactose intolerant, and Doug is like 99% lactose intolerant.
Don't stop me though.
It doesn't stop us or him. What are you doing? Are you not like full from dinner? To be fair, Doug literally, I swear, you probably lost like 10 pounds this week because he hasn't eaten anything. I'm getting Doug his bowl of ice cream.
I was just gonna eat it straight out of the container.
I guess you could. I don't like it.
Like a heathen.
See, look, it just has like tiny bits of caramel. Like, I want like chunks of Heath, but they don't have that. It's not Cold Stone.
No, it's not, bro.
Anyways, so this is how our night is going. Chunky baby with lots of rolls and ice cream. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because I literally never end it, and we don't have any comment of the days because I haven't done a vlog in forever. So I want to start those back up again. So I'll do one in the next vlog, which I'm gonna vlog tomorrow. What?
Nothing, it was her.
Oh, really?
Yeah, she's bouncing her.
What are you doing there, chunky baby?
Oh, chunky baby.
Anyways, so if you guys like our vlogs, why am I? Press the like button if you like, and subscribe if you're new, and we will see you in tomorrow's vlog. Bye, guys.